We're going to do letters. You ready? Mommy writes it down and you tell me what it is. What's the first letter?
A. B. C. D. D.
What was after D?
D.
It goes A, B, C, D. Is that E?
F. G. H. T.
That was after H. I.
T.
J.
E. K.
K. Good job.
F.
L.
L.
M.
N.
N.
N. E.
L, M, N.
O.
O.
B.
P.
B. Q.
Q.
R. S. T. U. W.
U. V.
W.
W. We have a couple more. Look. What's that?
S.
X. Y. And the last one?
Z.
Z. Good job. High five.
Never.
You want to do numbers?